some besties. I was in the middle of crafting, but then my new Barbie Fashionista arrived, along with a few others. They have been added to the lineup on the back with their numbers underneath. Yeah, they're just kind of mixed in. I found numbers 177 through 183 on Amazon for $9.99 each. There's a petite, a curvy, and a tall Barbie. And the kin that we have is a broad. Okay, let's check out number 177. This doll has black hair. My doll has a little shedding going on. Brown eyes, pink lips. They are a little pixelated. She wears a short, floral two-tone dress with puff sleeves, strappy heels. I want to say it's kind of a deep periwinkle color. And she has a large butterfly accessory on her hand. I think it's supposed to be a ring, it just fits over all of her fingers. I love her face and her hair color, and her hair is pretty soft. I would just love to see a smoother finish on her lip color. And I think she might be a good match for this BMR 1959 doll. Because right now, she has the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Yeah, let's do it. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Into a plastic bag they go, then into a cup of hot water. Let them sit. Depending on how hot the water is, mine's usually around 30 seconds, maybe 45 or so, until the head has softened. Then we can just brace the neck and remove the head. Oh, come on. If it's not going easily, just put it back into the water. Nope, I got it. Remove the other head, then place it onto the new body. Looks like a pretty good match. The skin tone might be off a hair. I dip her hair into the hot water. It wasn't quite hot enough, so I put her over my sink and poured more hot water on her hair, followed by cold water. And now I'm just kind of brushing it out. Let's change her clothes to give her a little more articulation. She has a face sculpt just like the new Barbie Extra doll that's like exclusive. So I'm just gonna add a jean skirt right over the bottom of her dress to kind of play into that Barbie Extra look. Looking through my stuff, I found a blue Barbie purse that matches her top and a little pink scrunchie, and let's replace her butterfly ring with a cell phone. And let's give her a little silver necklace. Well, I guess it's not super extra, but I'm loving this look. But I wouldn't mind switching out those shoes for some sneakers. I mean, heels are fine. I just like sneakers. Doll number 178. This doll has purple hair pulled up into a high ponytail. The eyes and lips look pretty clean. There is a little glitter on the eyeshadow. This doll has silver-colored triangle earrings that do not seem to be removable. Wears a metallic dress with sheer puff sleeves and some lavender sneakers. This is a petite Barbie, so the dress is going to be a little snug on a classic body. Yeah, it's pulling a little, but the pattern goes all the way around, so that's good to know. When dressing the doll, be careful with those sleeves. I found it pretty easy to accidentally put their fingers through this mesh fabric, so yeah. But I think those shoes will look great on our Made to Move doll number 177. Oh yeah, doll number 179. She has dark brown and platinum blonde hair, has a yellow-green eyeshadow on the inner corners of her eyes, a pink lip color, it is pixelated, a yellow top with flames and black stitching, a black and white skirt. They are 2 separate pieces, and the skirt's pattern continues all the way around. She wears pale light blue sneakers and comes with a pair of sunglasses. Doll number 180 is tall, has a blonde fro with 2 little knots in front, painted edges, a bright lip color, and yeah, she's a little pixelated. Wears a tie-dye 1-piece jumper. The pattern continues all the way around and it velcros in the back. She wears a yellow bracelet and white sneakers. I totally want to rebody her. Her skin tone is a little cold, so it might be difficult to get a perfect match. Can we try Barbie 166? Their legs look pretty close. So yeah, let's give this a try. Oops. So there's no going back now. We kinda have to rebody her. I was able to get the peg out and I put it back on the original body. And now we're gonna put the head on. And I can definitely tell that the head is a little lighter than the rest of the body. But to be honest, she wasn't a perfect match with her original body. So I'm just gonna go with it. And let's remove these little balls in the front. And I just kind of combed it out to give her a large blonde fro. I don't know. I saw KD Miniverse on Instagram twist it, and I kind of want to do that too, although I think it's going to take forever. Let's just go ahead and do it. I'm going to do a 2-strand twist, starting in the back, and this is going to take like probably about an hour or more. Why did I start this? This is taking forever. It's been 1 hour and I'm almost finished. Yay! This is not a permanent hairstyle and the texture of her hair allows the twist to stay in place. Her face is a little lighter than the body, which is odd because the head from her body donor matches the original body perfectly. Let's switch the clothes. And I tone her lipstick down with a little brown acrylic paint. I just lined her lips with the brown. This one is called Chocolate Bar. And then I watered it down to let a little bit of the pink shine through. I added the white hip bag from our body donor. Then let's pierce her ears and add the BMR 1959 doll earrings to switch up her look. Doll number 181 has blonde hair, blue eyes, a pink lip color, it is pixelated, wears pink glasses, a pink dress with ruffle sleeves and fruit printed on it, and orange high heels. Doll number 182 has brown wavy hair that might need a little attention out of the box. I really like her big, bright smile, and I'm not a big smile person. Typically, I don't like my dolls showing teeth, but this is nice. Her eyes and lips look pretty nice. She comes wearing a gold plastic headband, an orange floral dress. I really like this dress. I was rocking this look all last summer. The pattern goes all the way around, and there is no opening in the back. And she wears some tan or cream colored heels. When looking to rebody her, this is the BMR 1959 doll with the blonde or golden braids. That's pretty close. I also have this made to move body, which could be about the same. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one, because then I don't have to worry about all of the holes in her hands. Into the bag, and into the hot water. Then pull off their heads and put on the new one. Great match. Go get dressed. Yo, I really like this dress and pattern, and I would love to see it in more colors. Let's do something with this hair. I'm not gonna hot water rinse it because I want to keep the texture. So I'm just gonna spray it with the Juice by Kitty Doll 2017. Trim off the little stray hairs. Give her her little headband back. How about a gold necklace, bracelet, and a straw bag to add to her look? This doll was definitely a must-have for me. Doll number 183. This is a broadkin with sculpted hair. We've seen this sculpt quite a few times lately in a variety of skin tones. He has black hair, brown eyes, wears a colorful camo t-shirt, and shorts with an elastic waistband. He wears silver-colored sneakers and looks like a good match for Barbie Looks doll number 4. Into the hot water they go. Then a little head switcheroo, and we're done. And don't worry, folks, he didn't feel a thing. I think I'm gonna keep the white pants, pair it with his original shirt, silver sneakers, and maybe the black jacket from the Wonder Woman 84 Trevor and Diana Prince combo pack. And I added a silver Barbie necklace to finish the look. These 4 are my personal faves from this line. I love that I have a new head for my Barbie Looks doll. I absolutely love the way she came out. Loving the face sculpt and the orange dress. And I think she is just adorable. And yeah, I'm gonna let her fill the void of not having that exclusive Barbie extra doll in my collection. Thank you for joining us while we made some made-to-move Barbie fashionistas and switched up their looks a little to add our own style. Let us know in the comments down below how you like to restyle your dolls. And when it comes to the guys, are you team molded hair or team rooted? I must confess, I'm team molded. Although I wouldn't mind having some shorter styles, like a tight fade or even bald. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
They still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag.